My dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal University School, morning shift. My dear students, today I am going to take a mathematics class for the student of class nursery. My dear students, our today's topic is ring the biggest number. Look at the topic. The topic is ring the biggest number. Okay. Our lecture number is 25, and my dear students, you have the homework. Your homework number is 16. Okay. Now look at the board. I have write down here 5 questions. Ring the biggest number. I have written 5 questions. Before that, we need to know what is the biggest number. Okay. Now look at the board, my dear students. Suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits I have write down on the board from 0 to 9. Okay. Now look, my dear students, 0 means there is no sticks. Okay. There is no sticks. And this is 1 means 1 stick. So this 1 is greater than this 0, because this 1 has more sticks than this 0. Okay. Now 2 means how many sticks? 2 means 2 sticks, we can assume. 2 means 2 sticks. Now look, this 2 sticks is more than this 1 stick. So this 2 is greater than this 1. This 2 is bigger than this 1. Okay. I repeat, this 2 is bigger than this 1, and this 1 is bigger than this 0. Okay. Like this, 3 means how many sticks? 3 means 3 sticks. Look, my dear students, is 3 is more than this 2. So this 3 is bigger than this 2. 3 is bigger than this 2. Like this, 4 means 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this 4 is more sticks. This 4 has more sticks than this 3 sticks. So this 4 is greater than this 3. And also this 4 is greater than this 2. This 4 is greater than also this 0. That means the next number which will appear, the previous numbers will be small, and the next number will be the biggest number. The next number is 5. Similarly, we can say that this 5 is bigger than this 4. That means 5 is bigger than this 3 also. 5 means how many? 5 means 5 fingers, we can assume. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers, my dear children. And this 5 finger is more than this 4 finger. So we can say that this 5 is bigger than this 4. I think you have understood. Like this, we can say that 6 is bigger than 5, 7 is bigger than 6, and 8 is bigger than 7, so on, and 9 is bigger than 8. We can say that 9 is the biggest number among these digits. Among these digits, 9 is the biggest number, and 0 is the smallest one. Now, dear students, come on the board, and question number 1. The question is ring the biggest number. We should ring out, we should circle the biggest number here. Out of this 3 number, the question number 1 is given 3 numbers here. Okay. The numbers are 5, 9 and 7. My dear students, which number comes later? That number will be bigger, right? So 5, 9 and 7, among these 3 number, which comes to the right? Look, we have in the question 5, 7 and 9. Among these 3 number, 9 comes later. That means 9 will be the biggest number among these 3. That means among these 3, 9 will be the biggest number, and 9 will need to be circled out. Okay. That means we should ring the number 9. Okay. This will be our answer. And the next number is number 2. Among 17, 11 and 15, which number is the biggest number? We need to identify. Okay. Look, my dear students, in the ones place, that means in the right side's digit we should compare. In the right side we have 7 in 17. In the right side, that means in the ones place, we have 1 in the 11, and we have 5 in the ones place in the number 15. So among 7, 1 and 5, which number is the biggest? Look, among 1, 5 and 7, which one is the biggest among these 3 numbers? 1, 5 and 7. Yes, 7 is the biggest. That is why we should say that 17 is the biggest number among these three. That means we should circle 17. We should ring out 17. The number 17 should ring, okay? Because 17 is the biggest number among these three. 17, 11 and 15. The 17 is the biggest one. The next question given number is 32, 36 and 38. My dear students, the given numbers are 32, 36 and 38. In the ones place, which number appears? In the ones place we have 2, in the ones place we have 6, in the ones place we have 8. Ones place means in the right side, okay? 2, 6 and 8. Among 2, 6 and 8, which number is the biggest? Look, we have 2, we have 6 and we have 8. Among these three, which number is the biggest? 2, 6 and 8. Yes, 8 will be the biggest among these three. That means we can say that 38 will be the biggest number among these three. Okay, among these three given number, from these three given number, 38 will be the biggest number. 38 will be the largest number. That is why we should ring out the 38. Okay, now question number 4 is given three numbers are 20, 23 and 21. Among these three numbers, which one is the biggest? We should look out only the ones place, only the right side digit. In the right side we have 0, we have 3 in 23 and we have 1 in 21. Now among these three, which one is the biggest? We need to know, okay? Now look, among 0, 3 and 1, which number is the biggest, my dear students? 0, 3 and 1. We have 0, we have 3 and we have 1. So among these three, 3 is the biggest number, right? Among these three, 3 is the biggest. That is why 23 will be the biggest number among 20, 23 and 21. So we should circle 23. That means we should ring 23 among these three numbers. Okay. Now the last question's three number is, the three numbers are, it's 47, 44 and 42. Among these three numbers, which number is the biggest number we need to identify? We should compare only the right side digit. That means ones place digit is 7, is 4 and is 2. Among these three digits, which one is the biggest one? Look, we need to compare. It's 2, it's 4 and it's 7. Among these three digits, which number is the biggest number? 2, 4 and 7. Yes, 7 is the biggest. That is why we can say that 47 is the biggest number. Okay, among these three, 47 is the biggest number. So we should ring out 47. We should circle the number 47 because 47 is the biggest number among 47, 44 and 42. I think you have understood, dear students, how to write it down, how to circle the number, how to ring the biggest number. Okay, now look at the homework. Your homework number is 16 today. My dear students, your homework number is 16. Please mention the homework number in your SW copy in the left of corner. After that, you should write down the topic. The topic is ring the biggest number. Okay, then you have the 5 questions. I have solved already these 5 questions. This 5 question is your homework also. Okay, so solve your homework and please submit your homework copy on every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on every Saturday. Okay, my dear students, see you again inshallah in the next class with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.